how to log into your Wayfair account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply make sure that Wayfair is installed on your phone. Then you can simply open the application. So after opening your Wayfair application, here what you're going to do is make sure that you remember all of the credentials of your Wayfair account. So after making sure that, here you'll be able to get this pop-up just like this. All you need to do is write in the email address of your account, and after adding the email address, all you need to do is tap on sign in or create account. Then actually Wayfair will automatically detect whether you have already created your account using that email address or not. So you will straight get into a page where you'll need to add in your password of your Wayfair account. Simply do that and then tap on login, and like that you'll be able to sign in or log into your Wayfair account. So in case if you have sign up your account using the Apple ID, you can also tap on the option sign in with Apple ID and then add in its credentials and then simply log into your Wayfair account just like this. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.